Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the SQ12 micro HD camera here, and I had this for a while, but I did not get any interest in this product, so I didn't review it until recently. I had a few people that requested a product review in this, so I decided to go ahead and make a video. The video quality of this is kind of so-so. I would say it's somewhere between a 808 camera and a Mobius Mini. You'll see that here in a second. It does 1080p and 720p video. The dimensions are 25 millimeters by 25 millimeters by about 25 millimeters. It's about cube shape here and weighs about 16 grams. It does take a micro SD card here on the side up to 32 gigabytes. And for us micro flyers, you don't have a lot of options for HD recording. This is one of them. It's not the greatest. There's a lot of other options out there like the Runcam Mini Split, and there's a new camera called the Hawkeye 160, I believe it's coming out, Firefly 160. It's not out yet, but I should be getting that pretty soon. But since there was some interest in this product, I thought I'd go ahead and make a video. It's okay video. The bitrate's a little low for 1080p at 30 frames per second, but it's okay video. It's not the greatest, but it's pretty decent for micro size stuff. I did fly this camera on my Babyhawk-R 2.5-inch upgrade here with this little TPU mount that I found from Thingiverse, and I'll put a link to this in the description. It's just like a GoPro mount, just slides right in, and you have access to all the buttons and everything. So, yeah, you can see the video quality yourself and judge for yourself if you like it or not. It's okay, but I think there's going to be more options coming out in the near future. So stay tuned for those videos, and I'll go ahead and I'll roll you some flight demo footage.